Good day to you guys. What we'll be doing now is how to place a trade. Like when you get a signal, maybe from your mentor, from someone, or you copy the signal from somewhere, you know, either when you were given a buy limit, a sell limit, or an instant execution. I'm going to be fully explaining everything related to that right now. So now, when it comes to order, we have the market or instant execution. That is, let's say we are on jump 75 here, and I just click on sell like this. This is an example of an instant execution. Instantly, I'm in the trade. Are you getting me? So this is an example of an instant execution. When you do it immediately, are we together? When you do it immediately, it's instant execution. So now let's move on. So coming to the other part, we have instant execution. Then we have pending orders. We have the pending order, that is orders that are in your watch list, but you are not taking them immediately. You are waiting for the right time to take them. And under this pending order, we have the stop orders and we have the limit order. I've explained this 10 times with that number, even in some of the videos that have been shared already. So, but let's go. The stop orders, we have the buying stop and the sell stop. That is under stop order. We have the buying stop and the sell stop. So now when you talk about the buying stop, is the order placed above current price. That is, let me do something. Okay. This is buy limit, but we are talking about the stop order now, and we are talking about the buy stop under the stop order because we have the buy stop and we have the sell stop. So now the buy stop is the order placed above current price and price keep going up. That is, now this market is going up. As you can see, this market is going up now. Then you can see the green candles there. So it's going up, but now I am not sure yet, maybe because the market is at a resistance here, as a strong zone here, and I'm hoping that if this market should break, are you getting me, that I'm going to take it from the break, and that's going to be how it is. So, and this type of orders are made just because of the fact that maybe you are not there, you have something you are doing, you are not a trader that can be watching your screen each and every time. Are we together? So this is how it happens. So for the buy stop, it is the order placed above current price. So this is the current price of the market. This particular side is the current price of the market. This place is the current price of the market. And they said it is the order placed above current price and price keep going up. That is, this is what they mean by buy stop. You see, when I run it down, it's changed to sell stop. But yeah, buy stop. This is why I changed everything. Buy stop limit, buy stop, sell limit, whatever. But you see, this is buy stop here. Then immediately I switch it to the down, it is sell stop. So now I'm hoping that if this market should break this resistance, are you getting me? When it gets here, then once it touches this one, it can just like consolidate a little, but at least it should still go up. So that is what I'm expecting in this market, that once it touches this particular place, it should activate my trade. That it should only activate my trade when it gets to this particular blue line. So that is what they mean by a buy stop. And for the sell stop, you already know it's an opposite. So the order placed below current price and price keep going down. That is, now this market is at a strong resistance, and I'm thinking like, okay, the market is about to retest. Maybe I've done my analysis on this trade, so I did it this way, and I'm like, if this market should drop down maybe to this part, that it should activate my trade at this particular point. You understand? So once it activates my trade there, my trade is active. So either I go to stop loss or I go to take profit at the downside there. You understand? But once it touches this one, that means my trade is activated. That is what the sell stop is. That is the order placed below current price and the price keep going down. So we are done with the stop order now. And now we are going to the limit. So this limit order is the one most of the traders make use of, like 90%, 95% of traders. It's hard for you to say trader is making use of buy stop or sell stop. They always make use of sell limit and buy limit. So, but here for the buy limit, it is the order placed below. Remember that buy stop is the order placed above current price and it keeps going up. But this buy limit is the order placed below current price. That is, I have something like this. If I send a signal and say buy so at current market price, or you should get a pending order. This is what I mean. If I say set limit for a buy on jump 75, we're on jump 75 here. This is jump 75 here. So now if I tell you to get what is it called, a limit on jump 75, this is what I mean. Come in. So now I said this is the limit here. This is the limit, and it is defined as the order placed below. You see, now I'm hoping that this market will retrace here. Are you getting me? That it's still going to come, and maybe it's going to come and fill gap, or it's going to retrace anyone you're using. So now the buy limit is the limit placed below price, and the price keep going on. That is, if I place this trade there now, I'm not in this trade yet, but I'm hoping that if this market should touch this blue line, when it touches this blue line, it should get me activated. I want to be part of the market once it touches this line. Then I'm expecting it to go up. That is, the order placed below price and the price goes up after activation. Then for the sell, this is just the sell. This is the sell limit. You see, the sell is the price placed above price, and price keep going down. That is, when this trade touches this line, I expect it to start dropping as a downtrend. Once it touches this line, it should let me in for a sell. Then it should start coming down. That is a sell stop. So now I'm going to be emphasizing on entering of trade. I think I've explained what an instant execution is. So now for this pending order, this is what we'll be doing for the buy limit and the sell limit. So firstly, let's say I have a signal. Let's say I have a signal from here. Let's do a signal from here. I'm told to enter a trade. I'm told to enter a trade at this current price entry. You can see the entry. SL is stop loss, TP is take profit. So now what I do is, this is my entry on jump 75. I'll be like, okay, I've been told to get an entry at that side. I think I have to make this a landscape. So okay, I don't know why am I not getting the same sorry, I think I should be able to get the same. Stuff from that side, but I don't know why I'm not getting that function here. So we have to put it in landscape. So okay, this one there. So remember, this is a limit. So this person says I should enter the trade at so price. So now this is what I do. I click on this, my plus sign. Then this is market execution. This is where you change the pairs. Now this trade is for jump 75, so I click on jump 75. Remember, I click on this dollar sign here to change my pair. Are you getting me? This is how you change the pair you want to trade. Then it says this is it said I should put a buy limit. So you can see buy limit and sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit and sell stop limit. So now I'm going to be placing it on buy limit because that is what I was told. And now this is what I do. I paste it here. Remember lot size. This lot size, this what's it called? This lot size is the price volume or size of position you are trading. So the higher your stop loss, now the higher the loss size, the higher the risk, the higher the profit. That is what it means. So if you know you have a small capital, you understand, you will always make sure that you use a minimal lot size that is suitable for your account type, for your equity. So this is what I do here. Now I've gotten this. Then this person says my SL. Then this is what I do again. I come here and I paste for my SL. Then I come to take profit here. So this is a copy signal actually. So I come to take profit here and copy the take profit. And this is what I do. I place it here. Then I press on place. But remember, I said this lot size is very important. And the lowest lot size for this one is 0.1. So let's see what 0.1 is going to do for us on the ratio chart now. So now, okay, perfect. So we are here, and now this is the entry. This is the trade entry. This particular place is my trade entry. This is the stop loss, and this is my take profit. So this person says Now you can see this. Okay, I'm going to be risking 4.46 USD for a 12.42 USD trade. You can see the TP 12.42 USD, then the SL is 4.46. So that is what I'll be risking on this particular trade there. And what happens next is okay, like I said about lot size, I want to change the lot size there. We are using 0.01 there. So let me change this to 0.5. So let's go. So let's say I'm trying to set a limit for 0.5. Now I want to make sure I'm using 0.5. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I want to make sure I'm using 0.5. So let me just press on a buy so that it can get activated here. So I just want to explain some things. Okay, get back to the limit here. So now this is my limit. So let's say I have a buy limit here. Are you getting me? You know the first one here is 0.01 and I'm risking 4 USD. But now when I change the lot size, see what I'll be risking. Now I'm going to be risking 217. 217 for 622. So that is why the lot size is defined as the volume or size of the position you are trading. It increases your risk and your profit. That is how easy it is to place a trade. So now this depending on that, and if you are waiting for an instant execution, you just press buy, sell. But remember to always, make use of this particular what's it called? This particular lot sizing stuff, because this thing can really send you back to the village if you are not careful. So that's how it works. Actually, that's how it works. There's no magic in trading. You just need to get informed with the knowledge. Nothing else. Just the knowledge. Make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you know what you're doing. Because if you don't know what you are doing, you are going to pay heavily. The market is going to be teaching you a lot of lessons. A lot. So, okay. This is what we're going to be doing. I think we're done. We're done with this one. So that's just how to place a trade. So now I think I need to close. I'm going to be closing some in profit and some at a loss. But anyway, the main thing about the lecture is for you to grab how to. Are you getting me? How to place a trade. So that is just how easy it is. And if you have any question, you can actually reach out to the link you'll be seeing under the video or under the profile of the YouTube channel. The number is always active. The admin for mentorship, for account management, whatever you want related to trading, advice, psychology, whatever. So that's all for the day. Do like, share, and subscribe.